Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong X, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find fingerprint. Now let's enter Fingerprint Manager, and before we will be able to add the fingerprint we have to add a screen lock. Of course, if you've got one you will be transferred to another step. If not, just add the pattern pin or password. I'll choose the pattern, so let me tap on it. Let me draw the pattern. Tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Now you can decide what kind of notification content you want to show on the lock screen. It's up to you totally. Just mark it and tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint section, so you can learn for what you want to use you can use the fingerprint for, etc. Just tap on I agree. And now we have to touch the power button without pressing it, because the sensor is located on it. As you can see, we've got this arrow for guidelines, here the power button. So let's put my finger on the sensor, do not press it. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for much better recognition after setting the unlocking option. Okay, we've got it. So let's simply tap on done. And here we can manage the fingerprint. So we can manage what the fingerprint is responsible for. So return back screen, back to home screen, reset task, take photo or video, answer call, etc. So it's totally up to you if you want to use it. The basic option for the fingerprint is the unlocking option. So let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. Let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.